Hello everybody, it's the boy Jeremy. Welcome to Smart Money Hub, and in this video I'll be sharing with you guys a very quick information that I just got this evening, and it's out right now in the internet. Okay, so it's about an airdrop that is coming up on the HOTBIT exchange platform, and you can get it for free like right now, and you can exchange it on the 10th. Today is on the 8th, so if you're watching this video right now, I want you guys to take advantage of it. All right, so I need to show you guys. Let me log into my HOTBIT account right now. All right, here's my HOTBIT account. So this actually is let me show you guys. Let me check the now this stuff is hot right now. I guess they just this notification just came like an hour ago or 2 hours. This is it. They load up. Now you get this free token, you can exchange it on the 10th. Like, this is interesting. Now all the bits will launch PUML out on February 10th. Now today it's look, you guys can see this was just uploaded 1 hour ago. So all the bits scheduled to list PUML on the growing section. Deposit function starts tomorrow by 6 a.m. Trade function also starts by 6 a.m. Withdraw from, that means you can send it, you can sell it, you can trade it to USDT. Trading pair PUML to USDT, and you convert this USDT, you can withdraw it to your account, or you can change it into Bitcoin or any other coin that you want. So you guys should really come up here and get this PUML. All right, so I'll be dropping the links on how you can get the this airdrop. All right, I'll be dropping the token. In Nigeria, it is restricted to Nigerians, but there's going to be a link that I'll be dropping for you guys to download the app. So when you get the app, now let me show you the app here. I already have it installed on my phone. Yep, PUML. Now this is the app here, PUML. But if you go to Play Store, let me take you guys to Play Store and check. You will not see it if you're Nigerian, and some other countries also are blocked. So I'll be dropping the link for you guys to get it. Understand? So you download it from there. PUML. You see, from the search, it is not here. So let's check. Consider the app is not listed here because of the country location. So but I'll be dropping the link for you guys to download it, and if you download it now, there is an instruction: do not open the app when you download it. When you just download it, you install the app. I'll still be dropping down that link for you guys to use to open the app. So when you use that link to open the app, you can get your free token. Okay, I've already done all that, so I can access the app easy. Now this is my app here. So I will be dropping those two links in the description. The link to get the app, and also the link to open the app. When you install the app, do not open it. You need to use that link to open it. If not, you will not be able to access it. So let me input my. Now I'm in already, so it's loading. All right, load fast. So you can see now, you can come to the challenge section, can come to marketplace section. Now for this challenge section, for little things you do in here, you get 30 PUML coins, you get 500 here. Now these challenges are active. Now there's a lot of rewards in here. You come to the marketplace, you can even use it to buy anything you want. You can see you can use your coin to buy anything you want. Now this is the airdrop here. Over here you can see now it is just for signing up. So when you refer people also, you can start getting PUML. Now you can see there's an option to buy stuff and to send your coin. So on the 10th, that means next tomorrow, you can be able to send this into your HOTBIT account, and you withdraw it straight to your bank account. So I'll be dropping both links for you guys in the description: the link to get the app, and also the link to open the app. When you install it on your phone, do not open the app unless you use that link. If not, you'll not be able to get your airdrop. All right, so you guys should take advantage of this airdrop right now. It's cheap, it's free actually, and when it's being listed on the HOTBIT account, you can trade it for any other coin, or you can trade it to USDT and withdraw it straight to your account. All right, guys, so if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, share this video so that people also can get advantage of these guys. All right, so see you in my next video, and don't forget the links will be in the description box. All right.